So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Aarti Drugs share. So today Aarti Drugs has given a very good movement and it has reached the levels of 800 rupees. That is the levels that you have discussed in the previous week. So in the previous week, that is 3 days back on Thursday, we have done the technical analysis of Aarti Drugs, and also in the volume analysis, we clearly found out that in the coming days, definitely it will start giving the upward move. So as it is in the Telegram section as well, today I have mentioned that Aarti Drugs buying is seen. So people who have averaged or people who have done the fresh investment in Aarti Drugs, so do mention in the comment section so that we'll discuss what can be the next strategy. So what now? So since we have entered at, we have been discussing from 650 680 rupees level, so on regular basis I am updating about Aarti Drugs. So that's why I tell watch the levels clearly. So levels are very important. So whenever it gives a breakout from a particular consolidation phase, then we know that it continues the trend. So now we'll do the again, we'll recapitulate the levels, we'll revise and update the levels to find out the next targets in the coming sessions. Okay, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and also join the Telegram group if you want any updates regarding the stock. That is, I update whenever buying is seen, I put in Telegram to buy that particular stock if you are interested. Okay, so let's get started. So if we see the volume analysis, so clearly on 4th December as well, we have seen some good amount of deliverable quantities followed by the traded quantity increase. So I told that whenever any stock, when it is consolidating in a particular range, so when the deliverable quantity is followed by when money flow index is also showing some indication, so I told that you need to stay little bit of attentive and you need to add that particular stock in small portions. So I got many comments that they've bought at 650 700, so that is very good that you are focusing on the levels and you're investing at right moment, so that time only you may expect some good quality profits. So many people even questioned that when Aarti Drugs was in downtrend, since the positive results, we know that the quarter results of Aarti Drugs, so they were also positive. So that's why I told when everything is turning out to be positive, just it's the operator game to confuse you so that you will exit and they will buy at low levels and they will make the profit. So that is the strategy that big players do. So that's why you should never exit, but you need to find an opportunity to buy whenever you see correction. Okay, so today also almost the stock is showing 5% movement. So currently it is trading near 800 rupees level. So we'll try to find out the next levels. So before that, we'll go to the returns section and then we'll switch out to the technical charts. Okay, so let me show you the day wise delivery pattern as well, so that you'll have clarity on how the delivery is changing. So we know that the delivery percentage, if you see on regular basis, so little bit of decrement was there. So clearly here you can see, so whenever delivery jump is present, so alternatively we have seen some downtrend in the stock and followed by when flat delivery holding is there, so consequently 3 to 4 days we have seen the movement. So today also even though the market sentiment was little not completely bullish, even moderate bullish, so many stocks have given some good quality movement. So from that we have seen Aarti Drugs as one of the stock which has given a good quality movement. Okay, so if you see the chart pattern as well, you can see volume also has remained flat, so nothing much increment in volume. So slow, this is what is called accumulation phase. So don't see at a time volume increase and at a time volume drop. So on consistent basis, big players, they accumulate on regular intervals. So after that only we see the breakout and stock starts moving up. Okay, so nothing to panic even if you have entered at high levels also, so definitely you can hold it. So we'll discuss what are the next targets that can be achieved in the coming sessions. So if we see various indicators, what are they suggesting? So if we see money flow index, so money flow index clearly you can see it has been in the overbought region, so that is obvious. And if you see RSI, so that you can see it has in the mid range, so neither in the overbought region nor in the oversold region. So it implies that still the stock is having that particular strength, so that much strength is not seen. So if you see even the past movement, so you'll see only 1% 2% movement. So this movement, so that is what what we have seen today, that is 5%, 6% movement. So that movement was not seen in the previous session. So that's why the strength is in the mid range. So in the coming sessions, even the strength also will try to move up. So that time we will see our targets, and then again it may consolidate, and again it will start retracing. So whenever it consolidates, don't do any selling, just find the opportunity of buying in small portions. So that is the strategy I keep discussing in my each and every video, so that you will not have any loss, but you will have a good stock for long term. And also, if you see, the MACD is also giving bullish crossover. It has given the bullish crossover and it is showing some bullishness. So these indicators are just for normal confirmation. So 100% accuracy, no indicators gives. So just price action as well as basic logic is need to be followed. So indicators are just to give confidence that we are entering at correct levels. So that also depends upon the logic, the assumptions that you're taking, and you're approaching the stock. Okay, understand this point clearly. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the one-day chart of Aarti Drugs. So currently you can see it is trading as 797.75, and you can see almost 6.08% positive movement. So what is the reason that we have discussed in earlier videos? So we have seen a double bottom here. So clearly you can see it has gone up, again it has retraced, now it is slowly moving upwards. Okay, so what is the levels that we have discussed in earlier videos? So the levels, that is the resistance, one resistance we have discussed in the coming sessions to what was is the 850 rupees level. So this is the level that we have been discussing in our previous videos. What is that level? 850 rupees level. So that can be the near term target of Aarti Drugs. So now if it gives closing above 800, we need to watch. So today also the day high was 807. So if it gives closing above 800, then definitely we may see some good quality movement in the coming session. So that's why I am discussing to hold this particular stock. Even if you are having any profit, don't book that, because you need to think about long term. So long term also you may get some best returns from this stock. Okay, so try to understand. So 850 may be the near term target of Aarti Drugs. So if you get any further chance to invest near 750 or 760, so definitely go for it and invest for long term and small portions. So don't have a panic situation that we'll have loss. So definitely it's a good stock, since the results are also good, financials are better as compared to previous quarters as well. So don't panic much. So Aarti Drugs, if you go back so many months back also, you know the range where it used to trade without the bonus issue, 2000 3000 rupees stock. When you're getting at these particular levels, even if the future movement is also very good, again it may go to those levels. So wealth creation is present, only patience is required. So near term target 850, after that it may start its new journey as well. So if you get an opportunity to invest at 750 760, so go for it, invest in small portions. And if you have any doubt regarding Aarti Drugs, so do mention in the comment section. So I'll discuss each and everything. Okay, I'm replying to all the comments. Okay, also mention the levels where we have taken. Okay, so this is all about Aarti Drugs. If you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.